In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily find your LinkedIn ID. If you've been searching for your LinkedIn ID and haven't quite figured out where to locate it, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it step by step in the most straightforward way possible. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and log into your LinkedIn account. It's always best to ensure your connection is secure, so double check you're logging in on the official LinkedIn site. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see your profile icon. Give that a click. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says View Profile. This will take you to your personal LinkedIn page where all your professional details reside. Now here's where it gets interesting. To find your LinkedIn ID, glance up towards the URL displayed in your browser's address bar. Towards the end of this URL, you'll see a series of text and numbers. That segment right there is your LinkedIn username, also referred to as your user ID. Your LinkedIn ID is unique to your profile and acts as your distinct identifier on the platform. If you desire to personalize this or make it easier to remember, LinkedIn offers an option to edit your public profile URL. On the right side of your profile page, you'll notice an option labeled Edit Public Profile and URL. Click on that and you'll see a pencil icon appear next to your URL. Give that pencil icon a click, and this opens up a field where you can change your user ID. It's a great way to customize your profile link, maybe to include your name or something that's easy for you and others to remember. After you've made your changes, be sure to hit save, and there you go. Your new LinkedIn ID is now set. Once you've updated your LinkedIn ID to your liking, you might want to share it with friends, employers, or colleagues. To do this, simply copy the entire URL from your browser's address bar and you're ready to paste it wherever needed, whether that's in an email, on your resume, or through a messaging app. And just like that, you now know exactly how to find and edit your LinkedIn ID. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please do take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials, and hit that bell icon so you're always updated on our latest uploads. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day exploring LinkedIn.